Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be testing out a viral TikTok recipe. So first, get out your oven-proof dish and add in 2 punnets of tomatoes. It's also a good idea to preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. In the middle, add 1 pack of feta cheese. Season with a little bit of pepper. Now this recipe didn't have any salt. I expect it's because the feta cheese is usually quite salty as well, but we'll see how we go. Then add some olive oil over the top. Then finally start topping with some fresh herbs and spices. Now this recipe originally only called for basil, but I did have some oregano growing in my garden as well, so I did end up going out and getting some of that. Then it's time to take your oven tray and place it into the oven. It didn't really say any particular time, so I'm just going to place it in until it sort of looks like it did on the TikTok video, which was the tomatoes shriveled up a little bit and the cheese starting to brown on top. Meanwhile, you can cook up your pasta as per the packet instructions. So this is what it looks like when I took it out of the oven. It looks similar to what it was on the TikTok video, so I think it should be done. I'm just going to take a spoon now and just stir it and sort of smash up some of those tomatoes a little bit. And we'll see how it'll taste when it's all finished. Okay, it's time to pour over the cooked and strained pasta. I just used little bow ties just because I thought they were a bit cute, and it was just something other than spirals or macaroni really. Just give it a good stir through until all the sauce is incorporated. And it is now ready to be served. Okay, so what is my verdict for this? Well, I end up adding a little bit of extra oregano as you saw. So having tried it, I definitely think it possibly needs a little bit more salt. I think it might just depend on the feta cheese you do use, because some cheeses could be more salty than others. But overall, the kids actually really enjoyed it, and my oldest went back for seconds. So I think it was a pretty quick and easy dinner to do when you don't really have the time to stand by the stovetop and stir and watch a sauce. So yeah, definitely something I'd probably try again, maybe with a couple of little tweaks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.